everyone, I am Fiona again, and in this video I'm gonna break down what's going on market and how can planet trades according to this market. So let's get in. In Bitcoin, we can see in daily trend frame. This is liquidity sweeps. We can see these are liquidity sweeps has been done right now, and in 4-hour trend frame we can also see the breakup structure in upside after liquidity sweeps. We can see this is a breakup structure in upside, and after breakup structure we have to find a demand zone, but there is no demand zone, but we can find the liquidities in downside liquidities and also upside liquidities. So okay, these are all liquidities and these are upside liquidities we can target. I'm talking about in higher time frame. Okay, so after that we have to find, like, there is no demand zone, so I would place a fib retracement. Okay, fib retracement, the low and the highs. After this is a fib retracement. You have to do this like 0.78. These zones already going upside from these zones, but you have to wait for come this zone market. Like, these are all liquidities, you have to wait for come these zones and do some retracement and or confirmation, whatever you want to call, then go upside and target all these liquidities is upside. Let's talk about in the shorter time frame, like for scalp purpose. So market is right now going down. Okay, in 4-hour time frame we can also see this is a gap. This is a gap where market can come. Okay, and also we can find these are all liquidities. These are all liquidities. You can say also this is a liquidity space, but I would not recommend, because this is a gap and this is a demand zone in certain time frame. So what you can do, go to our certain time frame. For confirmation, we can see lots of liquidities is upside. So right now I'm talking about the short term. So you have to really careful what's going on market. So right now you can these zones are gonna be your target if you want to play short. So you have to wait for break. Already break this one. If market comes this one like this, or even like this, then go downside and target all these things. This is gonna be target and this is gonna be target, but after these zones you have to book profit, because if market like do this type of movement like breakup structure after coming these zones, then it can go upside, and you can plan even after that with this new reset demand zone you can plan for upside. Okay, this is for scalp purpose, same as for this, but you have book profits and SL should be your entry point. This is gonna be for scalp purpose. Let's see what can happen. This is for scalping purpose, and would not recommend to go upside from this level. But if you wanna go upside, okay, let's talk about it doesn't happen like this, or it doesn't like it, it's try to go upside from this level. So according for scalps, then you have to wait to break these zones, really break this zone, then do some retracement and like this, then go upside. But you have to wait. And scalping, I don't scalp too much, so I only scalp in BTC. So this is for scalping BTC. I'm not gonna say any other scalps in Ethereum or any other coins or any other market. Let's talk about Ethereum. What's going on Ethereum? In Ethereum we can see market is same as BTC, because BTC in Ethereum plays the, what the hell, like Ethereum also always follows BTC. So let's talk about what's going on in daily trending. I will remark this on liquidity sweeps like break of structure as BTC. You can see in 4-hour trending, this is the zone, and this zone is also marked by as like the BTC, like fib retracement. I already marked these zones. This is the zone where you can plan from upside. After enter this zone, you have to wait for break of structure in upside and a demand zone. Then you can plan for upside, and you can target all these liquidities that is creating right now. These are all gonna be your targets. First target should be the nearest liquidities, then go, and then all other liquidities. This is gonna be for swing purpose, but let's talk about right now what's going on. Actually, I already make these videos, so I already marked this video, but this video's voice is gone. So like BTC, you can see this is FBC, and also you can see this is the demand zone in Ethereum also. So you have to wait for come these zones, then go do some retracement and go down. And if you don't want to go like if you want to scalp short, then you have to wait for break these zones. Let me remove this. You have to wait for break these zones. So these zones also liquidity sweeps, you can say, but because of liquidities I am not recommending these zones, because the more complicated things, then enable more results. So you have to wait for break these zones. You have to wait for break these zones, then go down or do this or this. Okay? Same lesson if you want to go upside and you can plan, but target gonna be according to you, because this is scalp. So let's talk about gold. What's going on gold? So you can see in gold is creating new highs. In 4-hour time frame, we can see this is the liquidity shape. I already marked this one. In 1-hour time frame, we can see this is the zone. This is a zone. This is a big zones actually. This is a 1-hour zone. Okay, this is a 1-hour zone. This is a big zone, and if we go in 30 minutes, we can see this is a big of structure in downside, and in 50 minutes this is gonna be the zone. This is where we can plan short sighted after confirmations. This is where you can plan, and you have to, and you can target the nearest liquidity like this and first liquidity, second liquidity. After that liquidity sweeping, you can plan like liquidity sweeps, then do some break of structure upside, then go upside. Okay, this is for how gold. This is for gold right now. Market is bullish, but according to our setup, we are gonna do anything we can. But right now, what if it doesn't happen, like it doesn't go, like you can see market is going down right now even, so you have to wait. Like I marked these zones because this is gonna be a very scary trade, or you can say aggressive trade. This is a fib retracement actually. Let me remove. low to high favorite retracement. You can see if the favorite retracement, you can see this is gonna be the zone. This is the zone where you can plan from upside. Like if it's come this zone, do some retracement, then go upside and target all those liquidity. But confirmation is must resell. You have to wait for confirmation. Okay, so this is for gold. If it before it coming those zones, if it comes this one, then it's gonna be like this. Okay, this is for gold. Market is creating liquidity, but you have to wait for confirmation even in a shorter time frame. This is for gold. Right now let's talk about US oil. In daily time frame, let's what's going on weekly time frame. Liquidity sweeps in daily time frame. The sweeps has been good done in 4 hour time frame. Breakup structure has been done. I was waiting for this one, but it went from this FBCs or whatever you want to call, or this is actually also a demand zone. This was the zone. But not according to my setup, so I didn't trade this. But right now what you can see, right now you can see this is a 4 hour zone. Okay, 4 hour zone. Market is bullish is the, but this is a supply zone. Okay, supply zone in 4 hour. So what market can do, market can retrace a little bit. So if it comes here just like this, I have remarked, like if it's come these zones and do some confirmations, then you can plan for short side and you can target these all liquidities in downside. You can target all these liquidities in downside, but I would not recommend it because market can do like, when market is bullish you have to plan for bullish trade. So it's like market is like this. Imagine you enter from these zones and planning to target these all liquidities, but sometime market do like this, the retracement, then market went upside again because these are upside liquidities are available. Okay, so you have to see what can happen. So this is for US oil right now. Let's talk about CE. What's going on CE? Liquidity breakup is going upside and market is going upside in 4 hour. We can see these are all liquidities and this is the zone. This is the main zone, but these are also liquidities in 4 hour. And 4 hour we can see market is going to go upside. If market comes these zones, let's see. This is 0.5. Okay, this is also demand zone. This is also demand zone in frames. And let's see, 5 minutes. Not a great demand zone, but let's see if it's. First we do like something like this, then go upside. Otherwise I would say ignore CEO right now. Okay, or you can plan like this. see this is a supply level where market is going down, but this supply level is also missing. In full time we can see market is going down from this supply level. Yep. Now what you can see, this is demand zone or this is liquidities. These are liquidities. So you have to wait for either liquidity sweeps or come to this demand zone. Either liquidity sweeps or come to this demand zone. After demand zone, then you can plan for upside and you can target all these zones, and then you can plan for downside also. This is my plan for USA. Yes, this plan for my USA. USA is actually trying to go down also, but not confirmed yet. Where is random? Okay, you have to wait for create the pattern according to your setup. You have to wait for your setup, then go whatever you want. Let's cover Euro APY. I think it's all the same setup in one hand. I marked these zones because breakup sector and breakup sector after that, and I marked the peep zones because there was no demand available. Yep. And it's already broke this one. Right now I am waiting for confirmations. Okay, everywhere I am waiting for confirmation. They do some like this. If you want to go aggressive you can, but I'm not gonna go aggressive right now, especially in Euros APY. Let's talk about ZZ. What's going on ZZ? This is a bit the same. These are all liquidities. Market is hunting all the liquidities in 15-minute time frame. Weekly supply level just in daily time frame we can see market is going down, and in 4-hour time frame we can see the breakups are sitting downside and market is going for a demand zone. And right now this is all this liquidity. These are all liquidities. So you have to wait for liquidity sweeps. You have to wait for liquidity sweep, breakup session, then go upside. So this is for CZ. Let's see what US30 was in US30. US30 is trying to go upside. If you want to go upside, then you have to wait for this time. This is number. And even if you see this feed retracement, you can see this is 0.5 level or this number, and this is the demand for after that you can plan for upside. increase it until you can see market is handling all these liquidities. These are all liquidities in forward trend. Okay. Liquidity is a breakup structure, that's it. Liquidity is a breakup structure, demand zone or fee retracement, that's it. Or target this or liquidities. Remember one thing, don't enter in liquidities. Target liquidities, and when you want to get trade, just remember, follow your plan, don't panic. Targets should be according to your trade. Do it for at least 15 trades with a trade mindset, then see what's happened. This is for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe for more.